What is going on, guys? Welcome back. It is a beautiful day out here today, as you can see. Been waiting to get out, fly again, passing our field here. So gonna drive around and see what we can find, see where we end up, and get some more flight time in. So we'll catch you guys there.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, Future Tom here. So you ever have one of those days where everything is just against you and nothing seems to go right? That was today for me. The camera equipment was overheating. I was having an IMU error on the drone every time I would fire it up. Never happened before, never crashed the drone. Don't know why it started happening. Tried to Google some fixes on site. They said everything from restart your equipment, did that many times. Look for firmware updates. There were no updates to be found. Later, as you're seeing this right now, I realized that there's a calibration that you can go through, so I recalibrated the IMU and was able to get past it, and it seems okay now. So that being said, the IMU is the inertial measurement unit. It measures the rotation of the drone, it measures the acceleration of the drone, it measures the orientation of the drone, all the ations, and if it's not right, if it doesn't detect the correct parameters within the ranges that it expects when you fire it up, it'll give you this error. So in the footage you're about to see, the only workaround I could seem to find was I could fire up my motors immediately after everything connected, and that seemed to not allow the error to prompt. Because when it doesn't allow you to fly. You're completely grounded. So between that malfunctioning consistently for me, the camera equipment overheating, I was just getting frustrated. You'll see exactly why you shouldn't start your motors until the moment you're ready to fly. So that's coming up. Let's get back to it.
All right, guys, here we are on location down here at the park. It's a pretty open field. I did adjust the center sensitivity, gain, and expo settings for the radio. So hopefully we will have slightly less sensitivity towards center and higher sensitivity and higher rates towards the outside. So let's get set up and see how it goes. All right, guys, did not fly at all last weekend. The weather was just terrible. Got a guy walking his dog, his beagle, towards me right now. He's just walking the old dog there. I got my drone next to the truck, so I'll kind of try to give him the common courtesy. Let's get the goggles on. Oh, gotta take my glasses off. They will not fit in the goggles. Get my phone situated. All right, everything should be good. Let me get our goggles on. Oh, we had a system error. Let me fire up the drone again and get you guys back on. Let's go ahead and kill the fly app. Relaunch it. Okay. Sensor system error.
PC load letter? What the f does that mean?
Let's turn the goggles off. Normally do not have a problem with this, but apparently today is one of those days. Goggles are coming back on. Come on, goggles. Here we go, goggles back on. See what we have in the goggles. IMU initialization failed. All right, guys, shut everything down here. All right, guys, and we're back. By the time I get done fiddle farting around with this, my drone battery will be dead. It was really strange, that IMU error. Now I've got it again. I'm gonna try to start it anyway. Of course, it won't start. What the heck is going on? When I start recording you guys, it decides to have an error. Not had this problem before. I don't know why it keeps giving me the IMU error. The motors are running right now. Take my glasses off. Never had so much trouble getting this thing started. Radio, just make sure that's all good. Okay. Let's get over here in the field, just in normal mode, and we are gonna pop into manual. So let's do that. Sport and manual. Switch is done. So our rates are different, so we're bearing that in mind. I do have the center sensitivity turned down, so hopefully that's okay. Let's see. I kind of want to just, yeah, it's been a couple weeks. Let's do a flip here. Okay. That rate didn't seem all that bad. Let's dive over some trees. Trying to be mindful of people here. Looking for pedestrians. Oh, looks like there's one guy there in the dog park. This path goes down to Otsoningo Park, and you can see the interstate there on the right, the old river on the left, Interstate 88 there in front of us. Crosses over, you take that to go to my house. But I don't see a whole lot of people out and about, so that's a good thing. I like to drop in here and let's practice a quick stop, right? Maybe a little dive. Getting my feet wet. I tell you, no matter how much time you spend in the simulator, the real thing just gets, I guess it's the lack of a reset button. Really gets me going. All right, 68% battery. Cooking along at 70 miles an hour. Let's go explore over here. Yep, there's Interstate 88 to the right. That's kind of cool. Watching my signal levels here. They're looking good. And, the signal's dropping a little bit. Let's churn back. Get up higher a little. Come on, signal. Goggles still look really good. All right, let's take our speed up a little. We're kind of slow there. Let's see if we can dive over these guys, over these trees. I say guys, I mean trees. I don't mean people. There I am. Yeah, you can definitely hear it out of the truck there. Fly over, let's see, where are we at? Oh yeah, there's the hobby shop right there. It's Small Addictions RC right under us. Sewage plant under us there. Grocery store to our left. And I really want to just get braver and start flying lower. Probably not this far away, of course, but just in general, as a rule. Let's come down here. I should have plenty of good signal level. Drop it in over these trees. Oh, sounds like the GoPro shut off. GoPro doing GoPro things. That's why I'm glad I got my my Canon recording as well. One dog over there. Person walking. Sorry people, I am not trying to be annoying here. GoPro doing GoPro things again. Beeping. I'm guessing you overheated or you stopped recording, probably because, God forbid, it's a Saturday or whatever kind of weird rules GoPro has. I swear things always like to malfunction. I got my low battery warning here. Lander. Motor stopped. Sensor system error. There it is again. Well, let's burn this last pack and get ourselves back home. Okay, motor started. Oh, I'm getting IMU error again. Dang it. I'm assuming it's just gonna... Yeah, so I gotta go restart the drone. Man, technical difficulties all day, guys. What in the world? All right, I'm gonna just see if we can fly with that Whoops. Bumping stuff on the controller. It's always good. You want to be in normal mode. We are still... My goodness. Get over my hat here. What is going on? The f... Jesus. Has everything got to be such a...
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Let's see that in an instant replay.
Has everything got to be such a... Well, guys, it is just one of those days. It really is. Nothing going right. Just sensor system error, cameras malfunctioning. But I guess that's the raw deal of it sometimes. This kind of stuff happens, but I'll have to figure out what's going on with the GoPro. Maybe try a different SD card, see what's up. But kind of a cool spot. Just want to see what's going on with this thing. Figure out why it seems like it's malfunctioning on me. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys know about this in the comments. If you know anything. Even despite the problems, thanks for tagging along today, guys. Really do appreciate you. If you like this kind of stuff, please consider liking and subscribing. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.